Tonight, we'll all travel together to Orlando, Florida for Game 2 of the Eastern Conference quarterfinals as the Celtics try to take a 2-0 series lead on the Philadelphia 76ers.
Water seeks its level. The best team will end up winning 4 games.
Tatum, he's going to fire from the corner, and he picks up right where he left off.
They have one of the best players in the world and some other great talent around him. So we got to be prepared.
Here comes Embiid, flicks it up and in.
Kemba got it going. Tatum is a handful. Jalen, I thought, had a great game. And they made shots.
3 to shoot. Tatum kind of let it go for an extra beat, and he banks it in. Miraculous shot.
Jason Tatum's unbelievable, man. I mean, I have no words for him. Jason's been phenomenal. Him and JB's progression, they're some young studs, and that's all I can say.
Tatum going to drive, falling away. Tough flip shot with the right hand is good.
Brown on another 3, and he snaps it through the net.
I love being around those two guys. I love the way they play basketball. I love how much they love the game of basketball. And it's just really fun to be around those two guys. Really special dudes.
Gets the Cantor screen, steps into the straightaway 3. He doesn't like it. A short rebound comes right back to him. He attacks, scoops it off the window and in.
He just wants to win. You can see that night in and night out.
Over the top of Horford.
Steps to his left behind the Cantor screen and drills another 3. The Celtics take a 2-0 lead, and the Sixers leave the floor with many more questions than answers.